Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is No Demi and today we are going to learn how to import different type of data sets into Stata. This is the first video of a series of videos that will be learning how to use Stata. You knowing it, you know that Stata is one of the most useful software when it comes to data analysis, especially for academics, and it's also used in the industry as well. So let's kickstart. You launch your Stata. Mine is open. I'm using Stata 17. Regardless of any version you are using, the operations that I will be carrying out with any version of Stata, you can do it. So to import a data set or a file and use it in Stata depends on the type of file it is. So let's assume that our file that we want to already import is in Stata format. In that, you have to come and click on the open button at the top in the toolbar. Then you come down, you just see open. Then you click on the open. From your folders, you select where your data is located. My data is located in desktop in the Stata 2022 folder. So when it takes me there, I open another folder inside which is data. So I wanted to import this data. This data with the extension .dta means that this is a Stata supported file. So I'll click on OK. Now my data is imported. To see the data, you just have to click on the browse. We have to input the browse command. So input the browse command and then you click OK. Boom. This is my data. It means that my data has been imported correctly. The second one we'll be dealing with is when the data is in any different format. That can be in text format, CSV format, or XLS. That's Excel. So now let's assume that my data is in any of this format. I know most of you will be using Excel files because inputting data and using Excel to collect data is very easy. You click on the file tab, you come to import. Then on the import, you see a lot of ways that you can, a lot of different file formats that you can import from. So when we want to import an Excel file, so we click on the Excel file format. Then over here you see browse. Then you click on the browse. Your document will pop up, so you select the location of it. So I will my own is here, which is in Excel format, as you can see it. So I click on it. Then after loading it, you realize that you see this option. It is very important. It's saying that import first rows as variables. As you can see here, our first row contain the drug, disease, and the systolic. So we have to just mark it. When you mark it, you realize that it has moved to the headers. Now the drug, disease, and systolic becomes the headers, and that is how it is. Now you can import it by clicking OK. So because I haven't cleared an existing data that is in my memory, that's why Stata is asking me, do I want to continue and replace that existing data with this current data? I will just go with yes. So now to view the data, we'll use our browse command and click OK. You can see that this is the data that I have imported. You can see. So again, there is another way you can do it. You can open Excel, then copy and then come and paste. Okay, to do that, you have to open your Excel file. My Excel file is here. So now what you just need to do is to copy the data. So my copy is here. Then you go to Stata. When you come to Stata, to paste it, look above this ones. You see where they call data editor. We have data editor into brackets edit, and then data editor into brackets browse. So we click on the data editor into brackets edit. When you click on it, here it comes. So you can now paste your data here. So I'll control. So it is asking again, do you want to treat the first row as names of variable? We said yes. Then you click it. You can see that it's the same as me going to file and importing it from my document. So these are some of the ways you can import different file formats into Stata. Thank you, and come back for further lessons on it. Bye.